I'm at H&L Rapid True Value. Now you guys know that, you know, it's a new year and all that. We just moved, so we want to spruce up the place and fix it up a little bit more. You understand? Have so many little cute things that you could need for your house, like this right here. There's a lot of options for grays. All right, so what we got? It's not only some work now. All right, everyone, welcome to the guest room. All right, so the plan is to do stripes, right? So I'm gonna be doing this wall back here. So I'm gonna move the bed, move it out of the way and thing, and do the stripes. We're gonna do the stripes this way. What do you call that way again? Horizontal, vertical. We're going to be doing vertical stripes that go like this. That's vertical, but we have to measure horizontally. We never know somebody know that, right? All right, so we'll have to move the things out of the way. So you guys know I just came back from H&L Rapid True Value, right? So I'm gonna get everything. So remember, we'll have the orchids, we'll have the two plant them, we'll have the two, what do you call them, something, the pictures that we got. So maybe, I guess maybe after we paint, we put the picture over the stripe or no? We don't know. After we do the paint, then we decorate because we have a bunch of things. We have a new comforter, we have different throw pillows and everything. So yeah, you know, I got this. All right, ChineyK DIY. All right, guys, that's it. Now we have to do the whole entire wall, all right? Ready, let's do this. All right, keep it still here now. All right. Oh, it looks straight. What you have to do is once you set the tape and you realize that everything is straight, then you press the tape on the wall, okay? Like so. Hey! Ta-da! Let's paint. All right, we are all done. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I think it looks pretty good for the first time of me doing something like this. All right, so now that we have the wall done, the accent wall finished, let's put the room back together, clean up the things then, and arrange it with all the other fandangles we got from H&L Rapid True Value. Let's go. So I'm a little torn between adding something at the back. Remember we had gotten two picture frames, not two picture frames, we had two paintings, two nice something. So I'm torn between putting it here or not. Comment and let me know what you think, or do you think the fact that we have the stripes is just enough? However, I did put one of the painting on this side. Let's go look at it. All right, guys, so here's the wall art. Remember, I couldn't decide whether I wanted to keep it here or above the bed or even put on both of them, one here and one over there. You guys can let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think? I'm gonna bring it over here and let you guys know. I'm not sure if I should leave the wall blank or just add a different kind of wall art besides this, but I think for now I'm going to put it back right over here. And if anything, I could always go back to H&L Rapid True Value. They have tons of options that I could use for the wall art as well. What do you guys think? Overall, I ain't gonna lie, I think I did a pretty good job for my very first time, okay? So let me know in the comments below what you think. Yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. Okay, bye!